Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is one of our projects for the month. Putting in these little retainer wall. So I did it on the other side over there. That palm tree. The slope. It's not as, this is not as bad. The other one over there is really, really bad. So I had to put a retainer wall because, all the dirt kept on washing out with the rain and stuff. So I'm gonna attempt the best of my ability to keep this level and as best as I can as a circle. So there's probably different ways of doing it, or all up to you, however you want to do it. If you want to close it in more, open it up more. So I really don't need more than the radius that I put there. So I'm going to take these plants out, these little bushy plants, and I'm going to put those. Let me see if I could. Never mind. All right, so it's going to be a different set of brush going here. So that first layer, I take out the roots, excavate it a little bit, move the sprinkler, and everything's leveled. First layer is leveled. So the second and third layer level, I'm gonna go ahead and put cement with bonding, so it sticks. Kind of help it, with the roots of the palm and the upcoming brush to not push the retaining wall open. So that's what I did over there. So this is the idea, because you look at some of the neighbors, they have the retaining wall. Let me see, a neighbor over there, right there, he has a retaining wall back there. For some reason I can't zoom in. Oh, great. So, and you can tell it's not perfectly leveled from, when you drive by or you get a little closer to it. So I want mine leveled. And that's where I'm going with this one. So I have to make sure that I put these cables on the side. These are for the lights that go under the steps. And that's pretty much where I'm going. I think it should hold up. Alright. I used some of my clean dirt. Yeah, I took out some of this. This is all the dirt that I took out. And recycling some of the mulch, which is some of the rock here. Some of the stuff is what I've been using in the front. It's kind of expensive. It's about $10.75 per bag. So I'm recycling it. So I run the dirt through here. This is pretty much clean dirt. So I'm using it to lay it under the pavers so it's easier to level them. There's no rocks on them or anything like that. So it's one of those little jigs that I do here. This thing has saved my life a million times. So I don't throw away the dirt. Whenever I've been planting everything around here, I put it in here, I save it, put it in a corner somewhere. And dirt costs money to remove and to buy, so I recycle it, use it for other projects. So if I don't have anything right now, like I said, I put it in a little corner somewhere, and I use it again. It's like some of this stuff right here. I'm gonna go ahead and recycle it, clean it up, and this is what I do to the rocks. Clean them up, and so then once I replant these, I'll go ahead and reuse the mulch. So right, stay tuned. Another DIY project for the shop. Here we go, finished product. Looking pretty decent. I'm happy. I'm gonna finish all of them. I'm gonna pressure clean them, so I'm not gonna worry about the little stains on top of them. That's I think they're from the pallet when they're in the pallet. But yeah, came up pretty sweet. I'm quite excited. I'm just gonna fill it up with dirt. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and filter some of this with my little strainer that I made. So, like I said, I have a lot of lime rock and all kinds of stuff here. So every time I try to do any landscaping, it just drives me nuts. You know, sometimes it takes me hours just to put a few trees because of the amount of rocks. But besides that, it's coming out little by little the way we want it. Obviously we got to do, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 more of these. So I'm not gonna, you know, do individual ones. I'm just giving you an idea. Last thing, I did use cement, white thin set with bonding. So, you know, later on when the roots start pushing out, you know, it'll hopefully hold up as much as possible. I know it's a lot easier just to stack them, you know, probably a third of the time. But the other one, I didn't like that, you know, since it was so close to the roots. And here I have to cut a bunch of roots, so I know pretty soon they'll start pushing them out. They get sideways, you know, like over there. You know, they get sideways. They weren't leveled. I mean, they've been there for years, but still, I want them to last a little longer. Just to give you an idea, these are gonna get at Home Depot. I believe Lowe's sells them, different colors. And these are in stock at Home Depot. I think it's like $1.58 each. So I usually try to get like the 10% discount, you know, when they send you the credit card coupons. But other than that, I'm quite happy. So the only thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to raise that sprinkler up just a bit, and what is it called? And then, you know, obviously pull these out and replace them. But I'm not going to do that just yet because I still got to do that side and this one. So these are the plants I want to put in here, because I already did them on both of the other palms over there and over there. So once I finish all the cement, the borders, then I'll go ahead and pull these out. I know my wife is going to hate me, but you know, as you can see, like, they're uneven. And I put a lot of dirt and still was uneven. This one came out okay, but yeah, once I level it all out, then I could keep it nice and flat. So a little weekend project, you know, anybody could do this. So, you know, stay tuned for other projects around the house. If you have any comments, concerns, or suggestions, please feel free. I'm kind of new at this, so anything helps. And subscribe and like. All right, thank you.